Hi, I'm Dr. Kelly Boussert. I'm a board-certified anesthesiologist and pain management doctor in the Baton Rouge office of the Spine Center of Louisiana. I was born and raised in Ruston, Louisiana, small town in North Louisiana. I did my medical training at LSU in Shreveport and an anesthesiology residency at the University of Chicago. After that, I moved to California to do an interventional pain management fellowship at Stanford University. I think my philosophy and practice is similar to probably my philosophy at home. It takes a village. At Stanford, the focus there was a multidisciplinary approach to medicine. So I learned very early in my training how important it was to see a patient, to listen to their story, to spend time, because it takes time to understand, to put the pieces together of a puzzle, and to hear what individually they need. Everyone is different and their goals are different, and so to take the time to listen to that, I think, is very important. The number one goal is, if you can understand where the pain is coming from, you know better how to treat it, and then to be sort of aware, to offer options to patients, and then to stay up to date ourselves on newer treatment options as they come along. I think all of that is sort of the goal in medicine. I see a lot of patients who have been in chronic pain for 20, 30 years and sort of just lived with it because they don't know there are treatment options out there. And if we could see them early, then we have numerous treatments that can give them some quality of life back and function, and allow them to continue working and stay active and all of those things. Knowledge is power, and so if you can sort of know what treatment options exist, then we may be able to catch a lot of this much earlier and prevent sort of the chronic pain condition that can be so debilitating and so detrimental for lives. So if you're in pain and you would like to see me, or you would like a second opinion, or if you just have questions about what treatment options might exist for you, I would love to see you at the Spine Center of Louisiana. Just give us a call, and I'm happy to see you anytime.